Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. You have seen the videos of as soon as and no sooner than, how to use them, what are the structures. Now let us see how to use as soon as in the sentence of no sooner than. You know that no sooner than is having a negative sense and as soon as is having the positive sense. So also the structures of both the sentences are different. So with the view of SSC board exam, some sentences will be given to you in which no sooner than will be used, and they will instruct you to use as soon as in such sentence. So you have to make some changes and you have to use as soon as joining both the clauses. So what are the steps to join these two clauses? Let us see the first example. No sooner did I reach the platform than the train left. The first sentence is showing two actions. In this no sooner clause is obviously showing the first action. We always use no sooner in the clause which is showing the first action, and as it is having negative sense, we use helping verb before the subject. So how to use as soon as in such a sentence? After tracing the first action, use as soon as in that clause. As soon as instead of no sooner. Remove no sooner and now locate the helping verb. This helping verb is showing the simple past tense. Did we use for simple past tense? So in the sentence of as soon as, we don't use do, does, did, and this did will be added to the main verb reach and it will become reached. So here as soon as, after as soon as, we use the subject. So I is the subject here, I. Now reached ed form of the main verb will be there. The platform, remaining sentence as it is. After this, in the sentence of no sooner than is used to join the second clause, but we have to remove than and we have to use comma instead of than. Thereafter the remaining clause will be used as it is. The train left. As soon as I reached the platform, the train left. This is how we can make second sentence. Now we shall see. No sooner does the PSLV stop the flight. This is the first clause. No sooner does the PSLV stop the flight than the satellite is separated from it. Here also two actions are there. So again we are going to use as soon as in such a sentence. Now you see as soon as. After this, we can see that does is used in this sentence and does represents simple present tense. If does we are removing, we have to add that s suffix to the main verb. Main verb is stop here, it will become stops. Here the PSLV is the subject, so as it is we have to use as soon as the PSLV stops the flight. Now remove than and use comma. The satellite is separated from it. In the same way, for the third sentence, again the third sentence is in simple past. How we can understand? From this helping verb we can understand this is simple past. Use as soon as, thereafter the subject, the thief. Now here is the main verb as we are removing did in the sentence of as soon as, we have to add the suffix "the" to here. As soon as the thief heard the noise, comma, use comma instead of "than." Thereafter use the remaining clause as it is, away, full stop. As soon as the thief heard the noise, comma, he ran away. No sooner did the magician reach near the school than the children gathered around him. No sooner did the magician reach near the school. So magician is there. He is reaching near the school to show some magic. So this is the first action. After magician's reaching, children will gather near him. So this is how we can identify difference between the actions which are occurring first and after. So we use here as soon as in the clause of no sooner. Now instead of did, we use first the subject, the magician. Reach becomes reached now, as the sentence is in simple past. Reached near the school. This phrase as it is. After that, instead of "than," we have to use comma. Thereafter, the remaining main clause will follow. The children gathered around him. The next sentence, fifth sentence, no sooner does a person get married than he becomes more busy in his life. So it is true about everyone that whenever a person gets married, he becomes very busy in his life. Now, how to convert this sentence? Use as soon as. Here, instead of using does in the beginning, we use the subject. As soon as a person get becomes gets, because this is simple present tense sentence, gets married. Instead of "than," we have to use comma, married, comma, he becomes more busy in his life. Now you see here, this married, gets married. These two verbs are here, but this married is a past participle and it is being used as an adjective. Now you have understood how to use as soon as in the sentences of no sooner than. I am going to give you the exercise for this. Some sentences are here. Sentences are having no sooner than structure, and you have to use as soon as instead of them. As stated above, use the structures, use the rules, solve the exercise and send me on our WhatsApp group. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.